Hello friends, I'm Jana Eubank. I have had the best year of creating in 2024, teaching lots of virtual online classes, but I realized that it's kind of limited my time over here on YouTube. And now in December 2024, I am working on resetting my scrapbook room, putting projects away that I've created throughout the year. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to film a video for my YouTube friends because I've missed them and I want to show them what I've been creating throughout the year. So I actually have two flip through videos. I have one where I feature all of the layouts, over 70 of them, flipping that I've created throughout the year for all of the classes that I've been teaching. And in this video, I will be showing you all of the 6x8 albums, cards, and folios that I've created for those online classes. Now, if you didn't know, I've been teaching at Simple Stories Online every other month, and it's been so much fun. We have such a great group over there. Every event, we feature a collection, and in that event, we create 6 layouts. 2 of them are double pagers. We create a full 6x8 album, and then we always have bonus projects, and those vary from layouts to cards to folios. And so I did show all of the layouts that we created for all the 5 events that we did in 2025 or 2024 over on my layout flip through. And in this video, I will be flipping through all of the 6x8 albums. Now, if you're curious about our events, come check them out. All of them are still available. The price of the event or the kit is the price of the products, the retail price of the products. And so you're in essence getting the event and the classes for free. Now, if you already own these, if you're curious about creating these projects and you already own the collection, or you want to use these ideas and the cutting guides and everything to create your own projects, there's also an access only option over there. So be sure to drop by simplestories.com. Click under the store tab and go to the courses, or go to the last tab where it says course store, and you can find out more information there. Anyway, that's my big long introduction. Of course, I've missed you, and I plan to change or get better at showing up on YouTube in 2025. So we'll look forward to hanging out together there. But let's go ahead and dive into these 6x8 albums. The first event that we had was in March 2024 with the Fresh Air collection. This kit is sold out, but you can still buy the access only version. And this one was really fun. So, I have 5 big albums to go through with you today. So I'm going to go through these kind of fast, but I hope it gives you an idea of all the fun that we've been having over in these events, and that you will come over and join us. This collection is so cute. This is the Simple Stories Fresh Air collection. It's so happy and bright with these fun pastel colors. We just had so much fun working with these. So I'm just going to show you all the fun flip throughs, all the cute designs that we did. And I'm just going to flip through these pretty quickly just so you can see what I've been creating. So so each month we start with a welcome live where we give you an overview of the projects. We do I give you the cutting guides. So right after we do the welcome live, we kind of talk about like additional supplies that you will need to complete the class. For example, in this class, I added baker's twine, right? So we go over that. I talk about any tools that you might need. I try to keep the tools pretty simple and consistent from class to class, and just use things that you probably already have on hand if you're a crafter, right? Because we don't want to make this too complicated. And part of taking a class is just having fun, putting the project together and learning new techniques and getting stuff done, right? Getting layouts finished, getting them into your, getting albums finished, and just having fun being part of a community, learning and creating with some beautiful items here. So in this collection, we had these fun floral bits from the Color Vibe colorway, and just super cute. Don't you love these chickens? Aren't those cute throughout this collection? So this is the Fresh Air 6x8 album. Now for this event, we also created a 6 layouts like I mentioned before, but we also did, as part of our bonus projects, we did some greeting cards. So I will just show those to you really quickly. They were super fun, and really fun cards that you can send for any event, just to say hello to a neighbor, just brighten up their day. And so we had a lot of fun creating these. Okay, so 5 cards with the beautiful Color Vibe cardstock. And that was part of our bonus projects for the Fresh Air event. Our next event was in May, and that was with the Just Beachy collection. We used the robin's egg striped binder for this one and had fun with this large chipboard frame on the front. And then we just had a blast creating this album, as well as lots of layouts for this class. So I'll just flip through this really fast and you can see all of the fun things that we did for this one. But be sure to leave me, if you have any questions about the classes, be sure to let me know. Like, leave me a comment and ask me, if there's anything you want to know about those. So we do kick off with a welcome live. I then have a pre-recorded video that we call the cutting video, or the cutting instruction video. And in that video, we take you through the cutting of the papers for all of the projects. So the video is usually about 3 or 4 hours long, because we're cutting through 24 pattern papers, 12 cardstock papers, and then the 24 6x8 papers. As we cut them, we sort them into all the different piles that coordinate with each of the projects that we're creating throughout the class. And so we keep you nice and organized, and we get a lot done in each of these events. So if you have a bunch of photos that you really want to get scrapbooked and documented, but you also want to have fun just following along with someone and guiding you through the process, that's what Simple Stories Online is all about. It's there to make it easy for you, but also to make it fun. So we're working with beautiful simple stories on, collections. It's a different one each time, but we're making the most of our supplies. In fact, one of my things that I really focus on doing in these classes is using up almost all of the kit. It's a great big huge kit. You get a wide variety of all the items from the collection. But as you go through these classes, you're using all of your supplies. So you're not going to have like a ton hanging out in your stash. There's always extra. There's always a little bit of extra, so you can switch out some papers, or make a little something at the end. But our goal is to help you not add more to your stash, but to actually get it on your shelves in the form of finished projects. So that was the 6x8 album that we created with the Just Beachy collection. And then the bonus project for that event was a little folio. So this one was really fun. It's this cute little size. You can see, almost like, I kind of think of it as like a little passport, right? It's just so super cute. So inside this one, there's lots of fun little pockets that are stitched in, but also a part of the background. So I teach you how to do that. This is actually, it looks like a complicated project, but it's actually very simple. And of course, I guide you through it with a video, and we just have lots of fun making these projects. Also, the people in our groups are so much fun. So all of the class content is recorded. So even if you own this collection and you want to create these projects, or you can't make it to the class dates that are listed, you can watch the videos after our live stream event. And in fact, most of our attendees do that. They enjoy the live stream feel, but they want to do it on their own time when they're able to pause and rewind different sections of it. So a lot of people wait until the recorded project is done, and so they can follow along that way, but also have that live stream interactive feel. So that's a little folio we created for the Just Beachy collection. Next up in July, we did the Linen Market collection. And this is super pretty. I love all the different feels of the Simple Stories collection. So here is the layout, or the album that we did for that one. And I'll just flip through this one really quick. Lots of fun layering. I love the Simple Vintage collections from Simple Stories because they have that beautiful, vintage feel, of course. That's why they're called Simple Vintage. But they just have so many, like a really fun, beautiful layered feel to them. And so you get that really awesome layered look without tons and tons of effort. It just kind of is so rich and detailed feeling. So this one was a really fun collection to work with because it's perfect for summer, but it also has, that you can lean towards patriotic memories with the red, white, and blue tones that are throughout the collection. And so it was really versatile as well. So these are the projects that we created for that one. So lots of fun pockets. We always do, fun interactive techniques throughout these classes so that you feel like you're learning something new and not doing the same thing over and over again. So for this collection, we did the the layouts in the 6x8 album, of course. And then the bonus projects for this one were bonus layouts that I show you over in the bonus layout video, or I'm sorry, the layout flip through video, so you can check those out. And then we also created 3 greeting cards, and I will show those to you in a minute. So we'll just finish up flipping through this fun album. It's so cute. Lots of flip ups, flip outs, little pockets in different places, and just lots of real estate to get your memories done. So that was the 6x8 album for the Linen Market collection. This is a hard collection to find because it was really popular, but there still are kits available over at simplestories.com. So let's just take a look. Since I've already showed you the layouts on the other video, I'll just flip through these 3 greeting cards really quick. So these were just some bonus cards that we created at the end with our leftover little bits and pieces. So there we go. Okay, the next event that we did was for Halloween with the Scary Stories collection, and that one took place in August 2024. So this one was really fun. You used one of the chipboard frames to create kind of this 3D little aperture on the front with these cute characters. And I had so much fun with this project. I love Halloween. It's one of my very favorite holidays. And so I just kind of went to town on this one. So we've got lots of flip ups. We did a shaker page. I know that's a little hard to see, so that was fun. It's got a window that shows through to the next page. I love that. These fun interactive tags. We used a template in this class, so we used the 2x2 template to create some film strips to tuck in there. Lots of flip ups, lots of detail and dimension to these pages. I love layering. This one was a fun page. We did a pop up with the little characters. So almost like they're scaring you, right? Like, boo. I love that. We have some more flaps. Isn't this collection cute? I love the Scary Stories collection. So yes, this one's still available if you would like to create a Halloween album. And all of the content is recorded, like I mentioned before, so you can watch it and go through the class. Even though the event is over, you can go through the event as if you were still part of the event because everything is nice and organized for you. You can find the information on when you purchase the classes, you automatically are enrolled into our online class platform. So that platform just walks you through the class step by step, but there's also a coordinating Facebook group for each of these classes. So if you want to come and join the group, all of the information is over there. You can see what questions people have asked about the different classes, and you can still ask me questions there. Like, it's an active group. So if you run into any snags with the class as you're going through it on your own, you definitely can leave a question in the group. Other people will help you. I will also check in and I can answer your questions there as well. So for that class, we did a matchbook album as well as a bonus layout. I showed the bonus layout in another video, my other flip through video, but then we created this cute little matchbook that you could gift to someone. We created a shaker window on the front that sees through to the inside. It's kind of covered with the title on the front, but you can see the other side right there. And then it just folds out in this fun accordion style. And then both sides of that that just came apart. Whoops. I'll have to glue that back together. The glue got weak, I guess, so I need to fix that. But it's just this cute little accordion where we decorated both sides and then it just folds back in. So this is like the perfect kind of project to gift to a grandparent, or, you could even use that as a fancy invitation to a Halloween party. And the best part about all of these projects is you could adapt them to other collections that you have in your stash. My little chipboard piece popped off. All right, so this is the final class that we just finished up in November 2025 with the Santa's Village collection, and this is the 6x8 album. We ended up creating like a shaker page with this snow globe. Not in this page, I have it in the class. I don't have it nearby or else I would show you, but really, really fun. I love the happy bright colors, the addition of the teal and aqua in this collection. Super, super cute. And so we'll just show you this. This one we had the 4x4 photo flips in this class as a different item. And so we played with those and did some different things with those. So you're going to see those throughout this album. There's another one, a little tag right there. Aren't these icons and stuff just so cute and happy? I love when a Christmas collection has aqua and teal in it. It's like my favorite. And then look, you've got the bright greens, but the dark greens as well. So this is just such a happy and whimsical collection. Again, it's called Santa's Village, and you can still find the kit and the class on simplestories.com. So be sure to check that out if you are looking to create a holiday album to document your holiday memories this year. You know, we haven't quite even finished up the holidays, so you could use photos that you take this year to create this album. Got a little side pocket here. Now, the bonus project that we did for this class is another folio. This time it's a little larger, so I will show that to you next. So fun, really detailed, really labeled, our layered projects, and people seem to really be loving the classes. So I hope you'll come consider it and come give us a try. Okay, here is the folio. We have this little pocket on the front. Sorry, I'm trying to shove that back in there. In the pocket when you open it. And then just some really simple pages inside, but we still have the fun pockets. This is kind of a junk journal feel with the different sized pages in here that layer together. Fun side pocket there. Little flip out. Isn't that reindeer cute? That's my favorite icon in this collection, is that cute little reindeer with his little freckled face. He's so cute. Okay, so that's the folio and all the 6x8 albums that we created for Simple Stories Online throughout this year. I hope you enjoyed seeing the projects that I've created in 2024. If you'd like to create with me, come check it out at simplestories.com, and I will do a better job at being here on YouTube in 2025. So these are the projects I created for 2024. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to check out the layout video, and we'll see you next time.